Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. Before we go any further, I just want to make this clear and be honest. This is a top of the range, and if you are looking for something a bit cheaper, there'll be plenty more videos on YouTube that'll be able to help you out. But if you do want to stick around, I've got a discount code at the end of the video, so let's dive straight in. These packs have aluminum alloy peripheral frames, allowing transfer of weight to the hips. The Aether 100 has a number of adjustables throughout the backpack for different sizes in order to make your journey as comfortable as possible. There is 3 large elasticated storage compartments, one either side and one located at the middle, giving you instant access to items of your choice. The amazing thing about this backpack is that the top lid comes off and it transforms into a day sack, giving you more options to carry your equipment. I like to use the side straps to carry my tent, giving you more room in the main compartment. The bottom storage compartment can be used for your sleeping system. It's always good to make sure that your sleeping system is in a waterproof bag. There is good access for you to feed your hydration systems through. There is zips at the side of the pack, giving you easy access to items in the middle. The waterproof covering is found at the bottom, also attached to the pack, so in high winds it does not fly away. Alfie, are you asleep? Right guys, I honestly think that Osprey has done an amazing job with this backpack. Nothing has come close. I've had plenty in the past, but the comfort and durability is amazing. So let's talk about the price. The retail price on the Osprey website, it's £370, but if you put this discount code in at the bottom here, it'll get you £70 off. I don't want nothing in return. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I will see you on the next adventure.